Well, howdy, y'all. This is Mr. Reyes, and we're going to learn how to multiply some large numbers. So, you start by looking at this first column all the way on the right. 5 times 4 is 20, and we're only going to put the last digit, the 0 right there. We'll put the 2 up here just to remember it. And then when we do 4 times 4, we're going to multiply this huge number on top just by 4, then by 2, and then by 7 eventually. But we're just looking at the 4. So 4 times 4 makes 16. Add 2 to 16, and we get 18. And the 1 from the 18 we'll need to put up here to add it later. 3 times 4 makes 12, and then we add 1 to make 13. And I'll erase these two numbers because they're not going to help us anymore. They've served their purpose. So when you get to this next line, you need to add a 0 just to start off. And now we're going to multiply everything in the top number by 2, this tens place. 5 times 2 makes 10, which is 0, right here, and we write the 1 up here. 2 times 4 makes 8, and then we add the 1 to make 9. 2 times 3 makes 6. We have nothing to add to it. Now we need 2 zeros for this next part, because we're multiplying by something in the hundredth place. So 7 times 5 is going to make 35. We'll just write the 5 here, and I forgot to erase this 1. And then we were about to write a 3 for 35. Right here is where we need that 3. So then 4 times 7 is going to make 28, plus 3 makes 31. Put 1 right there, and then we have another 3 to add at the end. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 3 makes 24. So now we have to add all of these together. Let's see if I can do it before I run out of time. Well, adding those zeros together is pretty easy. Eight plus a bunch of zeros is 8. 3 plus 9 makes 12, plus 5 makes 17. And we'll need to just remember that we need to add a 1 to right here. So 1 plus 6 plus 1 makes 8, and then plus 1 from that last part is going to make 9, and then we have nothing to add to this 24, so that just stays the same. So we can write a comma here because this is getting to be a really big number. 249,780 is our final answer.